Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I shall show you how to make a beautiful crochet moon keyring. This project is easy, quick and great for beginners. You will need a few materials to get started. First you shall need some yarn in your favorite color. You shall also need a crochet hook. I am using a 3.5 mm hook. Grab some stuffing like cotton or polyfill to make the moon soft. Don't forget a metal keyring for attaching your moon. You shall also need scissors and a yarn needle. First, make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make one, don't worry. I shall show you. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and pull a loop through. Now chain 1 to secure the ring. Inside the ring make 6 single crochets. Pull the tail to close the ring tightly. That's your first round done. For the second round we shall increase. Make 2 single crochets in each stitch. Now you have 12 stitches. For the third round, increase again. Do 1 single crochet, then 2 in the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around. You should now have 18 stitches. Keep crocheting to make the moon shape. For rounds 4 to 6, just crochet 1 stitch in each. Your moon is starting to take shape. For round 7, we shall start decreasing. Crochet 1 single crochet, then skip the next stitch. Repeat this to reduce the size. In round 8, decrease in every stitch. This makes the moon curved like a crescent. Now you have one side of the moon. Make another side. When you finish both pieces, place them together. Make sure it's soft but not overstuffed. Your moon is complete. Attaching the keyring. Now let's attach the keyring. Take a small piece of yarn, thread it through the top of the moon. Tie a strong knot to secure it. Pull it tightly so it stays in place. Check to make you won't add a charm or bead for decoration. Look at your beautiful crochet moon keyring. I hope you enjoyed making this project with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe.